You are now watching a Lucky Penny Shop product feature.
Hey, it's Lucky Penny Shop. Thanks for stopping by. I do appreciate it very much. Hopefully you're enjoying Valentine's videos. Maybe you're out shopping, seeing some of these items and wondering, should I get them or not? Well, this might help you decide. This is the Jurassic World Valentine I Dig You. It includes gummy candy hearts. And it also includes 3D dinosaur puzzle. Now, I'm guessing it's all the same dinosaur, but we shall see. It does not show more than one dinosaur on the front, and you kind of look at all the packs on the inside, and you think, yes, they're all the same. This is Frankfurt. That is the company that manufactures it. Item number 51239. Universal. It looks like the little bicycle ET scene. I don't know. Isn't that what it looks like to you? It's kind of tiny. See the tiny bicycle? And then I got this at Woodman's, which is a grocery store. This was $8 plus tax, which I think is fair because you are getting these 3D puzzles. We shall see what they look like on the inside. Now, the outside of the box, though, it says, warning, love bites. Something hot Valentine. Red hot? I don't know. Warning. Okay, maybe red hot. All right, let's take this off. There's two pieces of tape. Looks like one there and one there to get in. Oh, and there's some on the other side too. Okay, there's three pieces of tape. All right, now we can read the outside. Okay, I see now what we've got here. Warning, love bites. Red Hot Valentine. Warning, love bites. And what you get is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 individually wrapped heart-shaped gummy candies. And then inside you get one. Okay, so I thought it was more than one. So basically, this is a single gift. I was thinking maybe this was, a little puzzle, a little candy for each of your schoolmates. But yeah, it says 3D place 10-piece puzzle. Assembly. Join 2 skull pieces. Then attach jaw piece. Okay, let's see. So it looks like a substantial size then. I was thinking it'd be small, but... Well, maybe I better open up one of these so I can start some chew. Ooh. So the gummy is a nice size. It's about a little more than ½ an inch. And maybe 1/4 of an inch or more thick. Let's see. Okay, right off the bat, it's one of those gummies where you try to bite and you have a hard time just breaking through. It's a hard gummy. All right, join 2 skull pieces, then attach jaw piece. Okay, the flavor of the gummy, it's very flowery flavoring, if that makes sense. Oh, why would it say join 2 skull pieces, then attach jaw piece? It should say attach jaw piece while you're joining the 2 skull pieces. Come on. Come on, Frankfurt. There we go. There we go. Now we got it. Join 2 body pieces that attach to skull. Why am I thinking this is all the wrong type of instructions? Like this will lock in if that's locked in. You know? Like this should be in here as you're joining. And this will not go in here now that it's together. Okay, they're not making this easy. There we go. It's a little bit apart. That pops in now, locks in. Oh, they do kind of want this way. Okay, no. Actually, turn this around this way. So the longer little pieces up. Okay, that looks cool. All right. And it says attach one arm and one leg to each side of the body. Oh, so this they got right. This is easy to do. You just got to fit in that hole and press and hope it goes in, which it doesn't. There we go. It's round. It should just go in any way, but it's not. Ooh, did you hear that little snap? Okay, and then one leg. All right, on the outside here. That was a nice snap. That's nice. Okay, so generally speaking, let's see if we can get him to stand. It's cool. It's a cool puzzle. Now, if you're going to give this as a gift and then someone's going to eat the 12 gummies, I think they're going to be more happy with the dinosaur than the gummies. The gummies, like I said, are hard to chew. The instructions are also hard to chew because they don't really give you the steps the right way. So you can lean him back and he stays. These little pincers on the front. He stands up good. And his head moves and his jaw opens. Arr. Let's give him a gummy. You think a gummy will fit? Ooh, the weight. We got to bring him way back. Stand him up. I don't think we'll get him to stand. Ooh, there we are. All right, look at him. He's happy to get his gummy. All right, so that second one, I chewed through quicker. I knew what I was expecting. So you can't really break a gummy down like if you're chewing a sandwich piece. It's a lot to break down. So at some point you get it to the level where you could just swallow it. Okay, overall, I think someone would enjoy this gift. I misinterpreted it as, like a handout, being that there's 12 or a bunch of gummies in there. But this is one single gift. So if you know someone who likes dinosaurs, and they like Jurassic World, and they like seeing a dinosaur eat a gummy-shaped heart, then you're going to like this one. And overall, I'm going to say it's pretty cool. And thanks for watching. It is the Frankfurt 3D Dinosaur Puzzle Jurassic World Valentine's I Dig You. Meaning like someone who digs for fossils, right? So you'd have to dig up your dinosaur to enjoy him for Valentine's. No, you dig him right out of the box. The heart-shaped box. There you are. And then you put it together. And that's it. And thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed it. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed the video. I had fun making it. Later.
If you're looking for the item you just saw in the video, click here. Watch more videos by clicking here. Don't forget to share on social media and give a thumbs up.
Hey, LPS-Dave.
What's up, Butch?
Make sure they don't forget to subscribe.
Oh yeah, please click here to subscribe to Lucky Penny Shop. And always remember, when you see a lucky penny,
Pick it up.